What we're doing today, Mrs?
Hunting.
Huntingอะไร?
Hunting fish.
Hunting fish. Got some help today, haven't we?
Suck the water.
Got a pump.
Helping.
And helping hand.
Have to do
We've just got to get rid of all this hyacinth first. 5 or 10 minutes.
How anaconda? ไม่มาช่วยเลยลาดล่ะไม่ต้องกั้นน้ำมันไม่มาน้ำมีแค่นี้ We got so many help today Chris เล่เสียยกมือทิศหนูอันไข่มุก say hello hello happy new year everybody ฮะ Go get beer เร็วๆ That's eagle Is it eagle?
Eagle, yeah.
I think they're looking for baby goat.
Wow. Happy, happy!
เขาสอนให้ลูกจับปลาไม่ใช่สอนจับปลาให้ใส่มือลูกเขาบอกตัวพันทำอะไรไม่เป็นน่ะปูน่ะเอาไปดองไหนโยนมาไปไหน
นี่ปู
ไม่เจอช่อนตัวใหญ่นะเหยียบเจอมันเฉยหรอก
เดี๋ยวก็เจอมันมีปลาช่อนใหญ่อะทำไมกักขังหน่วงเหนียวหลานกูวะมึงเคยดูพวกมึงไปแล้วมันไม่อยากให้มาแล้วไม่ได้จับปลา
Right, I'm getting yak by Toon's older brother to start the engine, but if I can just update you, what we've got here is a classic case of... It's a classic case of I'm on holiday, I'll have a couple of beers while I'm in the mud, and it never... No, we're not washing that. No, that's not in the package. Porpeang Farm does not. We'll rinse them out for you, but right, we need to start the engine and then get the proper fish because we've only caught about 500 so far. It's not enough. What we seem to have run into. So he's got a chum. Well, she's drunk. Because Chris isn't quite as skilled. He's fell into the. He's broken the bucket. Tim's older brother is. If he wasn't here, I don't know what would happen, but he's in charge. Sort of. He's a little bit frustrated with us. We're trying our best, aren't we, guys? We're trying. Toon's mum's been over. She's not happy. So we sent her off with some snakehead.
Cheers, guys!
Yeah, cheers! Happy New Year, Dewey! And the most hilarious thing is, our guest... The most hilarious thing is our guest has paid to do this. Anyway, we're ready for the final suction. Rough estimate, I think we've got about 1,000 fish, 100 snail, about 200 crab. State of that, state of that. You found one! He's found a beer stuck in the mud. Excellent. As you do. Mine sweeping. Mine sweeping in the riverbed. Yeah? You're happy though, aren't you? So happy. So happy you can't get out. So, if you two are thinking of a holiday at Porpeang Farm, Thailand, book early and make sure it's draining the drainage ditch. Oh. If ever. Oh, oh, wow! He's found a beer. She's gone again. You can't see it maybe, but I'll try and zoom it in when I edit. That bottle of beer down there is shitted up to the eyeballs, and yet Mrs. has got her lips round the rim. What's happening here? He's got it. No, he hasn't. He has? Oh! Chris's mum, if you're watching this, we apologise now. Down there somewhere. Leo Mod Leo. It's like zombie apocalypse down there. Toon's looking for a beer instead of the fish now. Me Lucy cab. Oh, there! You need? Noon! Of course, there is a bit of a waiting list at the moment for people coming to stay here. I appreciate that, but there is a bit of a disclaimer. As you pass through the gates, we are not responsible for injuries caused by alcohol abuse and for dangerous work on the farm. If you're willing to sign that, you're more than welcome. Yep. Camera, you said take lots of video. Don't you start, you just worry about staying upright, miss. Oh, she's gone. Where are you going?
What? I just pretend to fall over.
Good pretending to fall over, excellent. Anyway, we've got a goat farm, there's goats to get in, so Muggins will be in charge of that. No, happy May?
Mark.
Yeah, I can't get there, can I? I'm video man. I know you're seriously hurt. I can't get there, missus. Last time I tried to help you, you dunked me in the mud.
Leigh, you fucking say this.
Comedy gold moment. Toon can't get out of the river, and the goats have broken out from both sides. We've got a double goat break. Toon is what you do?
He's just fucking pissed me off now.
Yeah, what you do? Feeling for flatties or what?
Calm me out.
Come on.
Trout tickling.
This on.
Seriously, I can't get up.
Seriously, we've got goats out that shouldn't be out. So we've got Sam over there that should be over there, and we've got Bullseye and Sherbet here that should be over there. Toon, I think all the goats are out. Seriously, I can see Blackjack over there. Seriously, I'm not joking. I think all the goats have escaped. While you two are arguing about your beers, we've got goats everywhere. I haven't got the answer to that.
Bullseye should be over there.
Bullseye's confused. He's like, I can't.
Bullseye.
เธอ
Bullseye.
ดีดไม่คริส
Yeah.
เหนื่อยซะทิศหนูเบียร์ทิศอยู่ไหน
Look at the state of that bottle, missus.
ยังไม่หมดนี่
I can't believe you're getting the lips around that. She's down.
ทิศหนูนี่ยังไม่หมด
Just wipe your rim and then you'll be all right.
ดึงขึ้นหน่อย
Oh, what?
ดึง
With something, just make it happen.
Dirty. Dirty.
จับปลาไปก่อนนะแพะไปไหน
Right, okay, let's go and put the goats in.
I'm not fucking pissed.
No, you are not drunk.
Yes.
Look, I can't even drink now.
I know, it's all that hyacinth in. You can't sleep there, Toon. Honestly, as comfy as it is. She's down again.
Fish everywhere.
That's it. Clean your beer. More beer.
อะไร
Excellent.
ไม่มีอะไรแล้วเอาเสื้อไปเช็ดทำไม
ไม่มีอะไร
He didn't touch you.
No need for that one.
Still catches. Still catches. And again.
Mr. Camera
Well, what can I do? You said take more video.
Chris
Oh, crab. It doesn't go well with crabs. It doesn't go well with crabs. Get up, Toon.
Honey
Yeah.
goat everywhere เนี่ย
That's what I said to you. There's goats everywhere. Where's your sister's husband? He should be.
ปลาช่อนปลาอะไรไปปล่อย
He should be taking all that back.
ปลาช่อนไม่ตายแล้วปล่อยมันทิศหนูจับปลาไปก่อน
มัน
เดี๋ยว
อยู่
แพะ
กับขี้โคลนนานๆมันก็ตายปลา
Can you call him to get the fish and crabs? I ain't got time for that.
I'm not talk seriously
Seriously?
What again?
something hit my
กู
knee
ก็เห็นมึงซีเรียสทุกรอบเลยเนี่ยเดี๋ยวกระทืบซ้ำเลยนี่ซีเรียสซีเรียสไม่เข้าใจ
โอ้ยนี่ดูสิซีเรียสไหมเนี่ย
Well, you got a catfish stuck in your leg?
สปีกชายโสมนามหน้าหมดแล้วเบียร์อ้วกเต็มขวดแล้ว
Mud wrestling
If only we got your when you snared the mudfish on camera, that would be pucker, wouldn't it?
คนเรา
What are you washing your?
There's nothing I can touch.
เลิก
Oh,
เลย
Yes. Ow. Catfish.
something down there where Chris exactly
Oh, where he left the bloody metal job, isn't it? That is
No, it's
proper
there.
mud, isn't it?
honestly not serious
Oh, we got a gusher. Toon's losing blood fast. Right. I think we should get out because everyone's just fucking about, basically, isn't they? Right, 2 buckets. Right, what's happening with all the fish, Toon? Does your mum want them or not?
yeah for make ปลาร้า
Yeah, and there's about 1 billion crabs as well.
yeah ปลาร้าcrab as well
เนื้อไก่เนื้อไม่เอาไปเนี่ยไปคืนแล้ว
เป็นคนอย่างนั้นก็ช่างมันเถอะ
มันไม่มีอะไร
A little bit of PP came out. Anyway, the good news is we're about an hour behind schedule of putting the goats away. Yeah, I think we're done.
ไม่จับอ่ะ
I'll maybe leave it for next year, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
ป้าแค่ออกไปทั่วละพอ
We could pump water out of the lake into here, couldn't we? There's an idea.
fucking lovely.
Your brother's rubbish?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'm not. I think that's harsh.
นั่นป้าน่ะ
Oh, gritty beer. Nothing worse than gritty beer.
Where my beer anyway?
Gritty beer.
I think that's the last of you could.
Where my beer?
I think he's gone. He's up there.
A message out to Carl, Chris's brother. What a state, mate. What an absolute state. We've carried him all day. It's not pulled his weight. But he's enjoyed himself. You know, he spent half of his life not doing anything. He said he's found his vocation in life.
ย่างก็ตึ๊ดใส่ตัวมาเดี๋ยวมาเอาตัง
So
ค์
we're
ที่
done.
กู
There's still fish in the
แค่
river.
นี้เนี่ยกูเลอะ
Big brother is not happy. He's gone. He's like washed his. He's
Goats are going
he's
home.
like
มึง
no.
จะซื้อหมูหรือ
Thrown
อะไร
his.
มาให้เขาติด
Goats
แล้
have
ว
put themselves to bed. Look.
แม่เราอ่ะมึงจะไม่รู้เลยนะว่า
Toon's
เขากิน
arguing
อะไร
with
ได้
sister.
อ่ะ
Mum, goats everywhere.
I just want a cigarette.
Gangs there.
มึงซื้อมาเดี๋ยวเขาก็กินเองแหละมึงพาเขามากินเดี๋ยวเขาก็กินกูเลอะมากแค่นี้ก่อน
We've got goats on the.
ซื้อมา
So the
ไก่
goat island was
ไก่
locked.
ย่างอ่ะไก่หมู
but
แน่
goats
ซื้
are
อ
on
ไก่มา
there.
2 ตัวถั่วฝักยาว
Goats over there that shouldn't be there.
ถั่วลิสง
Goats over there
ซื้อ
that
มา
shouldn't be
แค่
there.
นี้ก่อนกูเลอะวางเฮ้ย
Got a shouty wife. Tim, where you going? This way.
Hello. Hello.
no hang up
I don't know.
วาง
Touch his phone.
เอาทำแกเจ็บวันอะคลื่นรีบ
This is. Fuck's sake! We got a Toon down. Get up!
you stand on
I
my
didn't stand on your
yes
foot.
you can stand
Gusher and a twisted ankle. Maybe a broken ankle.
Toon's phone.
Come on. Shut up!
Shut up, goats. Silly goats.
Look at my flip flop! Outrageous.
Oh,
Alright.
that is fun.
I'm not being funny.
Right.
We need to get a grip.
No, let me
Focus.
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 Don't put video on me. Fucking hell. Get up. Where my beer?
Oh, my life.
Yeah, let's see.
Come on. Get the back of it. Get the back of it.
Chris,
State of that.
Chris, you eat the mud.
Yeah, in the mud.
Look, we got water flow.
Chris, stop.
Morning. What do you like the most about being at Porpeang Farm?
I want to go home. Let the pain stop. I want to go home. Where's my flight? Where's my fucking flight?
Mum?
ผิดหนูแน่ขึ้นทางนี้สิโทรศัพท์อยู่นั่น2 เครื่องเอามาให้หน่อย
Get me sure. Leigh, you got more.
Toon, get me sure.
Leigh, stop. Just stop moving. Put that on.
What different?
No, that one.
No, they're down there, aren't they?
No,
no,
you
no.
wait. Keep going. Go. You two fucking piss.
Toon, where you going?
Get fit.
Gang's looking on like, what the fuck's going on?
Come on, continue too. Count to 10.
Continue.
Good luck, Chris.
Oh, well.
Where the fucking goat gone?
Hey, check it. Hang on.
Check it out. Check it out.
Me first.
Oh, no.
Annie, two. Check out my crabs. Check out my crabs.
Hold it. We've got one down. We've got crab down. Crab
Got a
down.
crab down.
We've got.
My crabs are out.
No. Oh! Fuck!
Leigh, we jump in the water first. Wash ourselves first. Leave everything here. I need to jump in the water to wash myself. Leave here.
But they're gonna get out.
Get off!
Leigh จ๋า
Where they shouldn't be.
I know.
Are you sure about
Leave that down. Put that down.
Put what down?
You bug. You fucking fish bug. Come and help me.
Yeah.
Who's the idea to drink that
Yeah.
in the middle of the day?
Outrageous. Totally irresponsible.
Get my fucking fish bug.
Toon, what we doing with everything anyway? Mum wants it, isn't it?
That's sort out later. Sort me out first.
Right. You're straight. I'm fucking diving in. I don't care. Do you?
Ah!
Are you diving in, Chris? Yeah.
Go, Toon.
I'm fucking my hat. Expensive hat.
Oh, it's dead. Hold it. It's dead. It stopped.
No, they're not stopped. They keep going. Don't worry.
As long as you got the red circle.
Oh, that is.
Oh, not Goldsie, never mind.
I can't see nothing.
Doesn't matter. If you've got the red button. Oh, I've got a fish. I've got a fish. Oh. Well, Chris, I would suggest
Going in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come in. Watch yourself.
Are you ready?
That line.
What line?
You're fucking caving your head in down here, mate.
Shut the fuck up, God.
Whoa!
Oh!
Chris, here. Here, look at my finger.
Look at your finger.
Look at my finger.
No! I ain't gonna say nothing. Oh my God!
Tell you what, it's perfect temperature.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. You're welcome.
Chris, you not stay long in water when you piss.
I'm
No.
just worried about the Pacu.
Pacu with the testicles. Yeah.
Oh,
They like one eye fish.
One eye fish. And the conker. They like the conkers, didn't they?
is that the ground there?
Honey, don't come in. Don't come
I'm
in.
not trying to come in there.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh, do you know what? That ain't bad.
I'm going to get blamed for that, aren't I?
Yep.
That is exactly.
So it's about 6 inches deep there, isn't it?
Put something in there. What the fuck is that?
I'll put your alligator guy in there.
Oh.
I need a pee now.
Huh?
Need a pee.
Go for it. You pee.
Oh.
If my rohu start floating, I'm not going to be happy. Anyway,
Oh, can
I don't want to be a killjoy, but it's getting dark. And
Yeah, but I've got ants in my pants.
Honey, come on. Honey, come on.
seriously, I need a pee.
The pee, see? Don't pee on my
Can't
face.
just pee when I'm standing.
Can you cut me my flip flop? So I can clean my flip flop.
Hey,
Right.
Hey,
hey.
hey, hey.
Hoi, hoi.
Big spiky thing that I threw it in the lake.
Spiky thing.
Yeah, big.
What? Fish?
Oh, no, it's huge. It's
Fish?
about that big.
Spiky fish.
Yeah. Big. Oh, fuck.
Gang, you are seriously not helping. So, Chris, what do you like most about Porpeang Farm, Thailand?
Going home. Going home. Taxis.
อ่ะ
เดี๋ยวกูโทรบอก เดี๋ยวหาโทรศัพท์กูก่อน
บอกว่าจะให้น้องไปเอาอีก
Happy ไหม
แฮปปี้
Happy ไหม
แฮปปี้มาก
Happy มากกามก Happy ไหม
ติดไหมขันมกดูดิดูดิดูดิ
แล้วเนี่ย
ขันมกโยนถูกไหมถูกยัง
โอ้โห
ถูกยัง
แน่แหววเนี่ยร้อยมันโทรมาเนี่ย ไม่รับเมาบอกมันเดินมันไปจับปลากันขึ้นมาสักพักเนี่ย
อันเจียส Happy ไหม
ไม่น่ารีบไปแวว
Happy ไหม
โอ้ย
Oi!
Well, make me jump. Fuck hell. Hello.
Can't swear video, innit?
No, I'm not. I'll make some time for you, darling. แก้วไหนน้ำตาลปี๊บเอาไหมไม่รู้เก็บไหนอ่ะ Guy, this is my sister. Chat back.
ก็เล่นอะไรทีนี้
ทำไมเปลี่ยนนะ
ไข่มุกเสียงเปลี่ยนแล้วลูกง่วงนอนเลยดิ
Right.
How?
I've had enough tonight.